Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Face ID not working on iPhone. So if you are facing problem with your Face ID and you do not know what to do, then what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that your iPhone is connected to a proper internet connection, and for this you have to check your Wi-Fi is working properly. And what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second, and after that you have to turn it off again. And you can also check your Wi-Fi router and restart it so that your internet connection do not have any problem. And the next thing you have to do, you have to simply click on settings, and after that you have to click on general, and here you have to click on software update, and here you have to check whether your uh, iOS has the latest version. And if it is latest version and you are still facing the problem, then what you have to do, you have to simply go back and click on scroll it down until you find the option of Face ID and passcode. So here you have to simply give your passcode, and after that you can find the option of reset Face ID. And after that, after resetting Face ID, you can set a new Face ID so that it can work for you. If you have already done that Face ID reset but it is not working for you, then what you have to do, you have to simply restart your iPhone. For this you have to simply press and hold the volume up and power button. After that you can simply slide to power off, and after that you have to simply power off your iPhone. And the next thing you have to do after restarting your iPhone, if the problem is still there, you can simply open the Safari and open Apple Sport, and you can simply ask the question about your problem, that what you are facing the problem, and there you can simply find many solutions for you, because many people are discussing their problem on Apple Sport. In this way you can get a solution for your problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.